So in this video, I will walk you through step by step how you can use expert advisors on Metatrader 4. Now this works both on Mac and on PC, so make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to head over to Metatrader 4 and make sure that we are logged in to our live or demo account. And then from here, what you will then be able to do is you'll simply be able to go down to the bottom and you want to scroll over and then select market. Once you head over to market, you will now need to make sure that you head over to your MQL5 account, which is a marketplace where you can purchase expert advisors such as Trade Assistant. Now, once you have logged in, what you will then be able to do is you'll be able to go over to purchased and see all of your purchased expert advisors on MQL5. Now, what we need to do is we need to head over to the left hand side bar here, go over to expert advisors, click on the plus icon to show the ones that you have. And then as you can see right here, for example, I have got Trade Assistant. So if I want to add this to my trading chart, I will then double click on Trade Assistant. And then once you get this pop up right here, what you will then be able to do is go to common to see all of the different information. And if you want to go to inputs to input any settings, you can do that as well. Now, once you are happy with all the settings, just simply click on OK. And then this will then add this over to your chart. As you can see, the Trade Assistant terminal is now on my chart. So to be able to use this, what I can then do is go to the top left hand corner, click on auto trading to enable auto trading. And then as you can see now, this is how you can use expert advisors on Metatrader 4. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.